10 Greatest Benefits of Turmeric. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the 10 greatest benefits of turmeric, a spice that packs a serious punch when it comes to your health. From weight management to healing wounds, turmeric seems to do it all. So let's break it down. 1. Weight management. First up, let's talk about something many of us are interested in: weight management. Did you know turmeric's curcumin can actually help with that? It regulates fat metabolism, meaning it helps reduce the growth of fat tissue and even improves digestion. If you're on a weight loss journey, adding turmeric could be a helpful little boost. 2. Liver detox. Next, if you're thinking about detoxing, turmeric might be your best friend. It boosts bile production and helps the liver break down toxins, acting as a natural detoxifier. It's like giving your liver a little tune-up to keep it running smoothly. 3. Cancer-fighting properties. Now, here's something really powerful. Turmeric might actually help fight cancer. Some studies suggest that it can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even make treatments like chemotherapy more effective. It's amazing how something so natural could have such a big impact. 4. Respiratory health. If you've ever dealt with asthma or bronchitis, turmeric could be a lifesaver. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects, it's been used for centuries to treat respiratory issues. It helps clear the airways and reduces inflammation, making breathing easier when you need it most. 5. Cholesterol balance. Got cholesterol concerns? Turmeric's got you covered. It can lower your bad LDL cholesterol while raising the good HDL, which is great for your heart health. It's all about balance, and turmeric helps you get there. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips and delicious recipes. Now let's keep going. 6. Menstrual relief. Ladies, this one's for you. If you struggle with painful periods, turmeric might help ease those cramps. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce discomfort during menstruation, making that time of the month a little more bearable. 7. Oral health. You might not expect this, but turmeric is great for your gums too. Its antimicrobial properties can fight off gum diseases like gingivitis and help reduce plaque buildup. Who knew a little turmeric could support your smile? 8. Eye health. If you're concerned about your eyes, turmeric's antioxidant powers can help here as well. It may protect your eyes from conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Keeping your vision clear and strong is just one more way turmeric has your back. 9. IBS relief. For those dealing with irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), turmeric can be a game changer. It soothes the digestive tract and helps reduce bloating and pain. It's like giving your gut a little extra love when it needs it most. 10. Wound healing. And finally, turmeric has antiseptic properties that can help speed up the healing of cuts, burns, or bruises. Just a little turmeric on the skin can help wounds heal faster, making it a natural addition to your first aid kit. There you have it, folks. 10 amazing ways turmeric can boost your health. Whether you're using it for weight loss, heart health, or even wound healing, turmeric is one spice you'll want to keep handy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share with someone who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.